So, Mike, why don't you tell us a little bit about what inspired you to pursue a career in criminal defense?
So I went through undergrad at the University of Kentucky in Lexington, and I was getting close to the end of my time there. Looking at graduation, I was studying business marketing actually, and I did an internship with an organization, a company by the name of Alltech, and I did that throughout the summer before my graduation. And it was the first time that I had worked a true 9 to 5, and I really got the understanding of how long that is every day. So it made me recognize and understand that I really need to find something that I want to do if I'm going to have a several decades long career in something. So after going through that experience, it actually coincided with a time frame where I was getting a little bit more involved with a campus ministry, Christian Student Fellowship there on the University of Kentucky campus. And I started to realize I wanted to do something meaningful with my life. And I had it down to three different career paths that I was considering. And I narrowed it down to law school. And I decided I wanted to go to law school. And I thought I wanted to do and practice family law, help people going through tough situations like divorces or custody battles, help out with adoptions. I actually had the opportunity to shadow in family court, and it just took one family court appearance for me to realize that's not what I wanted to do, with the judge telling both parents that they had to sit together at their daughter's track meet and they couldn't argue. And so I was really on a quest while I was in law school to figure out what I could do that would be the most helpful, helping people who are in the toughest situation. And it was actually my last semester of law school. I got an opportunity to do an externship with the Department of Public Advocacy, the public defender's office in our state. And that was my first exposure to criminal defense. And I fell in love with it, Chris. I loved every aspect of it. I loved getting to know the people who were charged with recognizing them as human beings and then being able to go to bat for them in terms of, a lot of times it's the whole community, at least the whole courtroom, against maybe one person, and you're the only person standing there representing them. So that was a really eye opening experience, and it evolved into 5 years with the public defender's office. And then now I'm in private practice.